Why do you attract emotionally unavailable partner all the time? बट कुछ भी वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा है, आप स्टिल बार बार चेज किए जा रहे हो लव को एंड यू आर एनीवे एंड अप अट्रैक्टिंग ओनली इमोशनली अनअवेलेबल पार्टनर. एज एन एडल्ट इट इज लाइक अ पैटर्न फॉर यू, जहां पर आप वेट करते रहते हो, जहां पर आप बहुत ज्यादा एफर्ट डालते हो एंड यू आर डेस्परेट आइडियली टू फाइंड अ राइट पार्टनर. एंड वेन एवर यू गो फॉर अ डेट और वेन एवर यू सी एनी पोटेंशियल पार्टनर. Welcome back. My name is Manvi Bansal. I am a counseling psychologist and a manifestation coach. Today we are going to talk about why do you attract emotionally unavailable partner all the time, even after doing affirmation, visualization, manifestation, scripting, inner work, shadow work, somatic work and a lot more. But कुछ भी workout नहीं हो रहा है, आप still बार chase किए जा रहे हो love को and you are anyway end up attracting only emotionally unavailable partner. Today we are going to talk about all of these things, the reasons why you are attracting these partners in your life, because anyway it is not serving you in any way. Oh, I just realized I'm matching with the color of this sofa. Wow. So coming back, number one, unmet needs in your childhood. जब आपकी लाइफ में, जब एज अ चाइल्ड when you were just chasing love, जब आपकी लाइफ में और लोग जो आसपास थे, मे बी फ्रेंड्स, मे बी पेरेंट्स, मे बी योर टीचर्स, वो कंसिस्टेंट लव नहीं था, कंसिस्टेंट सेफ्टी नहीं थी फॉर योर बॉडी, एंड यू समहाउ लर्न्ड दैट यू हैव टू बी समवेयर, यू हैव टू डू समथिंग बिगर, यू हैव टू अचीव सर्टेन थिंग्स, ओनली देन यू डिजर्व लव. अगर आप वो नहीं करोगे तो यू डोंट डिजर्व लव, एंड सो दैट यू आर जस्ट आफ्टर प्रूविंग योरसेल्फ, and that is why you keep on doing things. And you also tell, like, I have so many clients who tell me that Manvi, I am this person, I have achieved this, I have done that, but still I am not able to attract such partner. And why it is happening with me when I am a high achiever? It has nothing to do with if you are a high achiever or not. It has everything to do with your belief system, with how you treat yourself, with a lot more reasons which we are anyway going to discuss in this particular video. But number one is कि आपके unmet needs है from the childhood, आपको safe ही नहीं feel होता है, and that is the reason why you keep on chasing love in different forms. And as an adult it is like a pattern for you, जहां पर आप वेट करते रहते हो, जहां पर आप बहुत ज्यादा एफर्ट डालते हो and you are desperate ideally to find a right partner. And whenever you go for a date or whenever you see any potential partner and you have this one thought in your mind कि maybe now this is going to be the end to this particular journey where I'm finding out and figuring out what is going to be the best for me. Probably he's or she is going to be right partner for me, right? I know how it feels. I know how you are desperate and how you're frustrated in this journey both ways. I understand. But you need to take a deep breath right now, because I'm going to bust all of these myths and I'm going to help you how to overcome all of these things and also manifest a right partner in your life. Number two, your parents' relationship has become the blueprint for you. उनका जैसा भी रिलेशनशिप था, अच्छा था, बुरा था, तो आपने यही एज्यूम कर लिया कि इसी टाइप का रिलेशनशिप होगा. और आपने भी देखा होगा the kind of relationship you have seen with your parents within themselves. So आपको somehow you see that you are also attracting such partner, like आपके डैड कैसे है, आपकी मदर कैसी है. तो somehow because that is normal thing for you, and it is not that something you don't want. Somehow it is subconscious mind. At a subconscious level, you only feel that this is the only way, this is how relationships work. Even at a logical level, if you feel like that you want a better relationship, you will not be able to attract until and unless you relax your nervous system and you give different beliefs to your subconscious mind. Once your subconscious mind is going to believe in all of these things, and when your nervous system is going to create a safety net in terms of what do you deserve and what do you don't deserve, what are your negotiables, what are your non-negotiables, if you are clear about what do you deserve and how you want your relationship to be, only then you are going to attract such partners. Else you will always be in that survival mode and you will always attract such partner which feels very familiar to you, which feels very familiar for your body and mind. So take a note of it that you have to work on all of these things simultaneously, that what is the safety net for you, not for them but for you. Then only you are going to decide and then only you are going to attract the right partner for yourself. Number three, आपने हमेशा यही देखा है from the childhood, you have believed that you have to earn love by maybe scoring good marks, by being an higher achiever, by doing certain things. So you don't deserve it, you have to earn it. And once we start doing all of that, and that comes from our childhood, because सबसे पहले हम people pleaser नहीं होते, हम parent pleaser होते हैं. और parent pleaser बनने के जब हम वो बन रहे होते हैं parent pleaser, उस टाइम पर हमें समझ आता है that we have to earn love, we don't deserve it. And जब हमें समझ आता है that we have to earn it, then the process becomes very difficult for us, because you're always in that hyper state जहाँ पर आपको अपने आप को prove करते रहना पड़ता है हर टाइम, because आपको लगता है अगर आप प्रूफ नहीं करोगे, अगर आप इस बेंचमार्क तक नहीं पहुंचोगे, देन यू डोंट डिजर्व इट. यू ऑलवेज हैव टू बिकम एन अचीवर. यू ऑलवेज हैव टू डू सर्टेन थिंग्स सो दैट यू आर बीइंग एक्सेप्टेड एंड यू आर बीइंग लाइक्ड एंड यू आर बीइंग वैलिडेटेड. एंड जब तक आप ये नहीं करोगे, दैट यू डोंट डिजर्व लव. एंड एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग विद यू व्हेन इट कम्स टू द relationships. And so it is really important for you to understand that where it is coming from and why you have to deal with all of these things, because once you create a safety net again in your nervous system, then you will be able to break the cycle of this being a people pleaser when it comes to your parents, when it comes to your partner, when it comes to your sibling, when it comes to your friends, whosoever it is in your life. You have to break this pattern and create a safety net for yourself, and you have to come in contact with this one thought that I deserve love nonetheless, whatever happens, nonetheless who I am, nonetheless whatever I achieve, nonetheless whatever I do, but I deserve it because I'm a human being and I am whole. My self-worth is not dependent on what I am achieving in my day-to-day life. So it is really important for you to come in contact with these thoughts, because once you create a safety net, it will become easier for you to attract such partner, and you will be able to break the cycle of these patterns which is happening in your day-to-day life. Next is emotional parentification in childhood. अगर आप बहुत जल्दी mature हो गए emotionally, then it will like you are taking care of your parents emotionally, you are always being for them, you are supporting them emotionally all the time, they are venting out in front of you and you are being that support for them, then somehow you have become mature even before your age, and that's when things go wrong. Because जब आपके पास कैपेसिटी भी नहीं होती, आपके पास इमोशनल नेट ही नहीं होता टू टेक ऑल ऑफ दीज इमोशंस, किसी ने सिखाया नहीं होता हमें कि हाउ टू नेविगेट आवर इमोशंस, हाउ टू नेविगेट आवर फीलिंग्स, उस मोमेंट पर हमें चीजें बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगने लगती है, एंड वो हम उस मोमेंट पर अपने सारे इमोशंस को सप्रेस करने लगते हैं और हम अपने आप को प्रायोरिटाइज कर ही नहीं पाते, हम अपनी फीलिंग्स को बहुत ज्यादा नेग्लेक्ट करने लगते हैं. बट एज अ चाइल्ड यू डेवलप दिस पैटर्न that it is okay to offer the support, but I cannot take the support because they're already going through a lot of things, and that's exactly where things go wrong. जब आपका पार्टनर को भी आप ऑफर कर पा रहे हो सारा सपोर्ट, all the love, all the care, but you don't know how to receive it. So even when they are available, even if they're showing, you freak out, and that is again the symptom of a emotionally unavailable partner, because that person can get your energy, how it is for you, and even if that person is supporting you, you will not be able to take it. And the last is deeper level of low worthiness. At a deeper level, आपको वर्दी फील ही नहीं होता है that you deserve love. You are always in that state कि आपको प्रूव करना है. आपको बचपन में कुछ ऐसी चीजें हुई है जहाँ पर लोगों ने आपको लेबल किया है that you are this, you don't look good, you are ugly, you are this and you are that. तो आपके बहुत सारी इनसिक्योरिटीज हैं और वो आपको इतना ज्यादा ओवर पावर कर रही हैं कि आपको अपने में डिजर्विंग फील ही नहीं होता है. यू आर ऑलवेज लुकिंग एट दीज फ्लॉज वट एवर इज इनसाइड ऑफ यू, बट यू हैव टू कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द फैक्ट एंड बी ओके विद द फैक्ट दैट एवरीवन इज हैविंग सम फ्लॉज. यू हैव टू बी ओके विद दिस थिंग. रेदर दिस कैन बी योर सुपर पावर, एंड वंस यू ट्रीट इट लाइक इट इज योर यूनिकनेस दैट यू आर हैविंग दीज थिंग्स, बिकॉज एल्स सारे इंसान ही सेम होंगे, तो आप में क्या चीज डिफरेंट है? ईदर यू कैन क्रिएट इट, ईदर यू कैन थिंक दैट इट इज योर फ्लॉ, or you can treat it like it is your uniqueness. It is something which is different from others, and that is going to create a different picture for altogether for everyone out there. So I am having some flaws, you are having some flaws. So if I am having some flaws, it can be my uniqueness also. You just have to see the perspective over here. But अपनी insecurities पर कैसे काम करना है उसका मैं आपको लिंक यहाँ पर शेयर कर दूंगी, because I have shared some things which you can do so that you can overcome all of these patterns, because it is really important for you to overcome this so that you have a high self-worth, high self-esteem, high body image, like good body image you are having, so that you can attract the right partner. क्योंकि अगर आपकी खुद की एनर्जी ऐसी होगी, अगर कोई सही इंसान भी बैठा होगा, you will not be able to accept it, because that person is also going to get that energy कि आपके अंदर क्या है, आपकी क्या insecurities है, how do you feel, because energies तो समझ आ ही जाती है सबको. It's not about you or me, it's about सबको समझ आ जाती है कि आप कैसा बोल रहे हो, कैसे हो. क्योंकि अगर कोई इंसान बैठे, आप अगर कॉन्फिडेंटली भी बात नहीं कर पा रहे हो, या फिर आप फेक कर रहे हो, या फिर आप प्रिटेंड कर रहे हो, तो somehow आपको वैसा पार्टनर तो नहीं मिलने वाला है, because the other person is going to understand the energy. Energy is not through the words you speak, it is the energy which you carry. It is not something जो tangible है, वो intangible है. तो वो आप सिर्फ समझ सकते हो, वो आप देख नहीं सकते. अगर आप मुझे बोलो दिखा दो मानवीय एनर्जी, वो दिखाई नहीं जा सकती है. यू कैन ओनली फील इट. तो अगर आपकी खुद की एनर्जी ऐसी है, अगर आपकी खुद की इतनी लो सेल्फ वर्थ है, नॉट जस्ट दिस, आप बेयर मिनिमम भी एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए रेडी हो जाओगे, और आप अगर कुछ आपके नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स है आप उसमें भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लोगे, बिकॉज नॉन नेगोशिएबल का मतलब ये है कि ये चीजें तो मुझे चाहिए, बट क्योंकि आपकी लो सेल्फ वर्थ है तो आपको लगेगा अरे यार ये नहीं मिल रहा तो चलो ये मिल रहा है ना, तो इसमें कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लेते चलो कोई बात नहीं. बट दैट्स नॉट हाउ थिंग्स हैपन, बिकॉज आफ्टर गेटिंग मैरिड इट इज गोइंग टू become a problem for you. So make a note of it and work on all of these things at a deeper level. And if you want to work deeply, you can reach out to me for my one-on-one sessions or the program or my mind wars, whatever is comfortable for you. We are going to figure it out what's the best program for you, and then we are going to get into that. But it is really important for you if you are struggling with all of these things to work on yourself at a deeper level. I'm going to attach the link of my Instagram in the description box. You can use that and reach out to me if you need any sort of help, and or kuch bhi hai, and the kind of videos you want from my side, just let me know in the comment section. I would be happy to share my thoughts, my perspective, and how you can heal and overcome certain scenarios in your day-to-day life for sure. And have a great 2026, because I know for the fact you are going to attract so many good things. Just keep working on yourself. That is one thing which I want to tell you. Okay, and yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with whomsoever you feel is in need to know all of these things. All right, bye bye, take care.